Hello, and thanks for joining us on this episode of Simple Dishes with Decisions and Squatch. Today's Bible verse is Job 37:5. God thunders marvelously with his voice. He does great things which we cannot comprehend. And with that, we put out there that we follow Christ in all things and pray for discernment, as we hope that you do too. Today's menu, oven-baked chicken breast. Let's get this cook started. Once again, we're putting the simple into simple dishes. We're going to use 2 9-ounce chicken breasts, our avocado oil, and today we are using our Decisions and Squatch multi-purpose seasoning. Now, the wonderful thing about chicken breast is you can go with just about any flavor that you want. So if you want to go with a Mexican style, you can always use our taco seasoning, and there will be a link to that at the end of this video. For now, we're going to give you a moment to grab this limited amount of gear. You're also going to need a bowl to mix your chicken with your seasoning, and we'll be right back after this commercial break.
I know, guys. I want to frolic too, but it's just too cold.
Don't worry or feel down, human person. Here at Bad Decisions, we can turn your outside glum into indoor fun.
Wow, what's this?
That is Too Many Dice, the newest game from Bad Decisions.
Wow, how do we play?
Simply load all the dice into your dice rolling cup, give them a good roll, and then start counting the number on the dice. And by the time you've made it a little ways into counting those dice, you'll realize being outside wasn't so bad after all. Disclaimer: all dice sold separately.
I'd rather be out here. It even seems warmer after counting all those dice. Thanks, Bad Decisions.
I forgot to remind you to preheat your oven to 350. We're going to take our avocado oil, and you're going to want to drizzle about a tablespoon of oil, or the cooking oil of your choice. And then we just do, with our multi-purpose seasoning, we're just going to use 1 teaspoon per breast. So if you decide to use our seasoning, you'll know exactly how much per breast you're going to want to use. And this stuff is delicious, folks. Get it in there, and we're just going to give it the old hand toss. Don't be scared of it. Make sure that you massage those seasonings into all the meat as evenly as possible. Not rocket scientist or rocket science. I'm not a rocket scientist. And then you see we've got them nice and coated. We're going to go straight onto our pan. I'm going to get my hands washed up real quick, and I'm going to throw these chicken breasts into the oven for 25 minutes, and we'll be back to give you a taste test. And our 25 minutes is up. We're going to pull those chicken breasts, and we are going to check the internal temperature. And we got a runner. Let's see where we're hitting. There you go, folks. Right about the 165. It's still doing a little climbing, but you do want to remove your breast from the pan so that they do not continue to cook. And what you're looking for is for your chicken breast to be hit at least 165 in temperature. We're well within that range. Now, different breast sizes are going to cook differently, so always check and make sure you're hitting the 165 before consumption to make it food safe. As we do, old Squatch is going to get the first bite. And if you look there, folks, you can see how juicy and tender and delicious that breast is. I'll go a little deep just to give you that juicy cross section. And if you can see it, look at the juices just escaping that chicken. That is a glistening, delicious breast. I'm going to go ahead and get my bite. And as I said, if you want to use one of our seasonings, it will be linked at the end of this video. If not, use the seasoning of your choice. We suggest, if it's a pre-mixed seasoning, 1 tablespoon per breast, and they won't vary too much in size, so that should still work for any breast. I'm going to take my bite. Oh, man. And folks, I've had this so many times, I know it's really good. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks to Jesus. Thanks to you for being here. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you soon.
You know what time it is.
Like, share, and subscribe.
You never know what's going to happen.
And you don't want to miss it.